Hello YouTube, welcome to Race Car Fabrication and Restoration. I'm Ronnie Humphrey as always. Thanks for joining me today. Well, you can see we got my wife's 1952 Chevrolet pickup truck here in the shop. It is all decorated for Christmas, and I did something a little special. We put a sound system in it today, temporary sound system, thanks to my buddy Brian Bell who let me borrow it. We're going to cruise down about 10 miles south of our race shop down in DeSoto Parish, down to the city of Stonewall, Louisiana. They've got, I think it's the biggest Christmas tree in the country, and I'll find out some more on that when we get down there to it. But we're going to ride along down there, see how many crazy looks we can get while we're going down there in the truck, because the lights actually work on the Christmas tree. So ride along with us. Let's have a little fun. Need to be on the lookout for two old people in a 1952 Chevrolet pickup truck. We're going to go terrorize the city of Shreveport. This is the Christmas tree I was telling you about. It's built off a cell tower. I'm not sure how high it is. I think it's like, I'd say a couple hundred feet maybe, 150, 200 feet tall, but I know it's supposed to be the largest or highest Christmas tree in the country right now. We brought Genesis 52 out here and we have the littlest tree in the country right now. But we've had a lot of fun playing the Christmas carols, and people have given us so many thumbs up, videoing us going down the road, and that's a lot of fun. So, wanted you to see it, what I was telling you about, so there you go.